world is full of amazing wonders, and today we are looking at the Sigiriya. Sigiriya or Sinhagiri is an ancient rock fortress located in one of the districts in the central province. More accurately, it is in the northern Matale district near the town of Dambulla. When you arrive at the Bandaranaike International Airport, you will have to take a route through some of the most iconic places to get there. As you arrive at the destination, you will notice a massive column of rock nearly 200 meters high. King Kasyapa selected this site as his new capital during 477 to 495 CE. These facts are accurate according to the ancient Sri Lankan chronicle, the Kulavamsa. The Kulavamsa is a historical record written in the Pali language. King Kasyapa built his palace on top of the rock and painted it with colorful frescoes. This place is also known well for amazing engineering that has been able to have perfectly functioning ponds on top of the rock. Sigiriya today is a UNESCO listed World Heritage Site. UNESCO also declared it as the 8th wonder of the world. Sigiriya is one of the best preserved examples of ancient urban planning. Since the 3rd century BC, the rocky plateau of Sigiriya served as a monastery. In the second half of the 5th century, King Kasyapa decided to construct a royal residence here. Frescoes almost entirely covered the western wall of Sigiriya. 18 frescoes have survived to this day. Its mirror wall is one of the most striking features of Sigiriya. Sigiriya gardens are among the oldest landscapes gardens in the world, and one of the very few that have survived today. There are several large ponds with complex systems of hydraulics to keep them working. This place is one of the most valuable sites on the earth that no one should miss an opportunity on. Visit and gaze upon the 8th wonder of the world.